What's up, guys? It's your boy Manny back here again with one more review, an OMR Tesla. Guys, I have another product review for you. The product was sent out to me this time by the EV Shop. Check them out online and check them out on Instagram. They have a bunch of stuff for your Tesla Model 3, Model Y, Model X, Model S. They have it all and they have a lot of cool stuff. Today they went ahead and sent me the super wireless charger for your phone. So it is a charger and a mount that goes on your steering wheel column, so that way you can put your phone there, landscape, and you can have Waze, maps, whatever you want, and it's right in your sight of view. It doesn't affect with the AC coming in like the other mounts that they sell or the other in dashes that they sell that go there. So I think it's really cool, and at the same time as it just holding your phone there, it also charges your phone as well, which I think is really cool. As you can see, I have a mount here that I use currently from Spigen. Very good mount, but at the same time it doesn't have a charger, so it just holds my phone and doesn't do anything else but hold it. So this is pretty cool. It's gonna hold your phone and it's gonna charge your phone too. Now, as far as the installation, it is not hard at all, but it is a little bit of time, like a little time consuming. So I'm gonna show you step by step on how to do the installation and how to get everything ready, guys. So I'm really excited for this one. Let's jump in and get this installed and see how good this thing really is. Guys, now before we start the install, I wanted to go ahead and actually show you guys exactly what we're getting here in the kit. So you have the steering column replacement. So this is what the charger actually goes on to. Looks exactly like the factory, same color, so that's gonna look really cool. You have a little screwdriver with a T20 on the other side because you're gonna need to remove a couple screws there, extra screws just in case, and the ones that are gonna hold the actual phone mount, which is right here, guys. This is how the phone goes in. This extends. Also same color as the console, so that's just gonna go right onto there. You have a little pry tool that you can go ahead, because we're gonna have to take off some clips, and you have the actual splitter that we're gonna have to use to get power to be able to charge it. So what we're gonna do is, you've seen it on some of my other videos, this dash needs to come off. So what we're gonna do on this side is we're gonna come here, take off this piece, take off this little piece right here, do the same thing on the other side. Dash is gonna come out, you're gonna put it right on top, and then we start doing the rest, but I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. Guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and took off the actual centerpiece and put that up there. Now we got to come here. This is the centerpiece that we're going to take off. So we have one little pin there and one there. Those little guys just come right off, and as soon as you take that off, then we have to pry this piece off, and it's just clipped, so it's just lightly pulling it up, trying to get it out very lightly. Don't go crazy and pull too hard to break it, just do it lightly. So let's go ahead and get that done now. Alright guys, so there you saw, that came out fairly easy. Here it is. So now what we're gonna have to do is take off this piece, because the new piece doesn't come with that. We're gonna have to add it on to here. So to take this off, got a couple little pins here, and basically just go ahead and squeeze them until they pop off. The sides are very easy, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. The side came off just like that. This side came off just like that, and then these should be, if you pinch them and pull out, they come right out. So pinch and pull, pinch and pull, and boom, you got this piece. This piece we're gonna put away because we're not gonna use that right now. And this is the same exact factory holes, so it pops right in. So you're gonna go ahead and push the pins right through. You're gonna hear them clip, click, click. Boom. The sides the same way, they just clip onto the side, and there you go, everything clipped on, and now we're ready. So now what we're gonna go ahead and do is we are going to get the phone mount that we have here, and we're going to go ahead and put the little cable through the hole, make sure that goes on there like so. Man, this looks like super factory, like it came from Tesla. And then now you have the 2 little screws. So we're gonna grab the included screws that come with it, and we're gonna go ahead and just screw those guys in. It comes with 3, so you get an extra one in case you lose one. So go ahead and pop those right in there. Boom. Get your screwdriver and just screw that in, and that basically is gonna hold everything together so this doesn't obviously fall out while you're driving or moving around or popping your phone in. So there's one screw, here's the other screw. Go ahead, screw that right in there. Boom. All right, so there you go. This is what this is going to look like on your console. This looks really good, guys. This looks super factory. This is really nice feature because you're able to just, I'm gonna show you just real quick. You grab your phone and push down on it and boom, it's on there. Push down again, take it out. So it makes it a very quick on and off to get the phone on there. Boom, very easy. So this is cool. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this to the side because we are gonna have to go down under and take that out. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, so here's the part that we're gonna have to take out. Right down here, right here, you have one little push pin and then the T20 screw. So we take that off. This is going to come down a little bit. You don't need to take it all the way down, just enough so you can get access. That way we can fish the actual charging cable up. And then we're gonna remove this panel here, and we're going to also take this panel out just a little bit to be able to put that Y connector. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now so you see what that you guys have it. I took that out and we're just bringing it down enough so we can get in there. That way I can fish that wire up through here and out through here where we actually need it. Now we have to pop this piece off. This piece off, very simple. Just one clip there. Now we have another clip here that we're gonna have to take off as well. So let's go ahead and just get the pry tool. We're already here. Try to get this little guy out. Popped out pretty easy. Or I thought it popped out pretty easy. Let me get this pry tool. This pry tool is literally the best one because it grips it and then you can pop it right out. Boom, that came out. And then now we're gonna have to pull this just a little bit. I don't want to, you don't have to take it all the way off. So let's just pull it out just a tad bit. And there's the connector. See that blue connector there? That's a little connector that we're gonna go ahead and have. We have to take it off and put the little splitter. There's a little push pin on that connector. Let me try to get close enough so you can see that, guys. All right, there you go. There's a little push pin right there. So you push, pull up. Once you do that, you're gonna connect the other piece. I'll show you right now. We're gonna go ahead and just push on that little clip and pull up. That pulls up right there. Here's the one that comes with the actual kit. So we're gonna obviously connect the female and the male. Should go this way, that way. Actually, this way. Boom, that clips right in there. And then this one is gonna go back to the old one. Gotta pull a little bit more on that one to kind of get in there and be able to get it in. Boom, that clips in there. So you kind of want to go ahead and put that there. And then this is what we're gonna go ahead and run now. All right, guys, so again, this is the cable we're gonna go ahead and feed through. So I'm gonna just pop this right through here for now, just to kind of clean this up. Oh, move the camera a bit. Let's move that right back. Kind of center this right back up. Get that back how it was. We're gonna go ahead and get that clip, put that clip right back in there. That's in. Now comes the fun part, which is the feeding part. So let's try to get this through here and see if I can pick it up on the other side. All right, guys, so I didn't have a fishing line, but I did have an extra cable laying around the house. So basically I went ahead and got the little wire and I just put a little bit of electrical tape, and we're gonna go ahead and just pull nice and softly so it doesn't disconnect. Boom, and here we go, and we have the cable here. So now we go ahead and just take off the tape and continue with the install. All right, so take out my rigged fishing line.
Worked out pretty good. And now we're gonna go ahead and get this guy, which is the actual unit, and we're gonna go ahead and just put it all back into place. Before I do that though, let's go ahead and connect the cable in here. Make sure I'm connecting it the right way. Boom, cable connected. We can tuck the rest. You can kind of pull a little bit through here just to kind of get a little bit of, so it's not too loose in there. Alright guys, so there you have it. It is on. It is looking good. Super flush. Everything is good. So now we're gonna go ahead and kind of tuck this right back in here so we can go ahead and put our clips right back in. One clip is in. Let's do the second one. Second clip is in. And that's it. Now let's bring this back down, and but before I do that, let's see if it go ahead and if it charges. So boom, put that in there, and boom, charging. Look at that, guys. Perfect. So here's what I was saying, that this is very cool to go ahead and use. Let's say you want to use Waze, which you can't get right now on the actual dash. Boom, you can go ahead and put Waze right on your phone. Mount the phone right on. Boom, your phone is charging and you're ready to go. So check out how nice that is. It's right on the steering wheel. Even if you had the round steering wheel, it would be right over the top, but I just think it's right on your eyesight. I think it's ready to go. The actual on and off of the actual phone is so easy with the way that they set up that little thing. It's just boom, you just go ahead and put your phone, push down, and it is on there and it's charging. And when you want to take it off, push down again, pop it right off. So very, very cool little thing. Let's go ahead and just finally put that top piece right back on and get that going. Right, ready to go, mounted, and it is ready and set, guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment below, but I definitely think this is the way to go. Boom, pop your phone right in and you are all set. Put it on backwards, but it doesn't really matter. Pop your phone right in, boom, you're all set. Phone is charging and you're ready to go. I think that's a very good looking place to have your phone. You can have Waze, any other maps, and it's just easy on the fly right in front of you. So I think that's really nice. It does fit all the phones, especially because this, as you can see, gets pretty big. So you can put any phone. If you have a bigger iPhone, if you have an Android, it should work without a doubt, especially if it has wireless charger. But guys, let me know down in the comment what you think. EV Shop, thank you so much for sending this out to me for your review. I think this is a very, very nice unit and you guys should definitely pick one up. It's not too expensive. It's only $299 to have it. I'm trying to work right now with the company to see if they give me a coupon code so I can give to you guys and see if you guys can have it. But other than that, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, guys. Again, this was Manny signing out with one more review.